In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily lock your Wells Fargo debit card using the Wells Fargo app. This process can be a lifesaver when you need to quickly protect your funds, whether you've misplaced your card, suspect fraudulent activity, or simply want to prevent unauthorized use. Locking your debit card is a straightforward and effective way to secure your account until you're ready to unlock it and resume normal transactions. To start, you'll need to have the Wells Fargo app installed and ready on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account with your secure credentials. Now, let's dive into the steps to temporarily lock your debit card. First, open the Wells Fargo app on your phone. This app is designed to make banking convenient and secure, right at your fingertips. Once the app is open, you'll find yourself on the home screen, which provides an overview of your accounts. Browse through your account list and tap on the specific account associated with your debit card. This action will take you to a page dedicated to that account, revealing detailed information about your balance and recent transactions. Next, look for the option to select your debit card. This is usually found within the account details or under a section specifically labeled for cards. By tapping on your debit card, you can access a range of management features tailored to your needs. Once you've selected your card, it's time to find the card controls section. This feature is particularly useful for managing various security settings of your card, including the ability to lock or unlock it as needed. In the card controls section, you'll see various options to customize how your card is used. Now toggle the lock card feature to the on position. This simple toggle is all it takes to activate the lock on your debit card. When the card is locked, all new transactions will be blocked, but don't worry, this won't affect any payments that were already approved prior to the lock. After toggling the lock, you should receive a confirmation notification indicating that your card is now locked. This confirmation reassures you that your card is secure, providing peace of mind while you handle any card-related issues. Finally, when the time comes to restore full use of your card, simply navigate back to the card controls in the app and toggle the lock card feature to the off position. This unlocks your card, allowing transactions to resume as usual. Remember, this temporary lock feature is an excellent tool for controlling your card's security. It offers flexibility and peace of mind, so you can focus on resolving any disruptions without the worry of unauthorized activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel confident using your Wells Fargo app to manage your debit card's security effectively.